Hey guys, welcome back. So in this class we're gonna download and install Docker. I'm gonna install on my Mac, but for Windows it's straightforward as well. So let's just go in. I'm already here in docker.com and let's go and get started. And we wanna download Docker for desktop. So I'm not gonna make you watch it, and once it's downloaded, I'm gonna be back. Okay, so now it finished downloaded. I can just click on the image and it's as simple as follow the instructions on the screen. So just for us in Mac, it's just drag and drop into the applications folder. For users of Windows, you're probably gonna have a screen and you're gonna have to click next, next, next. So let's go ahead and start Docker now. And I will open. So that's just Mac telling me that this application needs some admin privilege. And I'm happy with that. And once we install it, we're gonna see this on the corner, and that's Docker starting. Let's go ahead and close all this. So you can see it says Docker is starting, and we're gonna wait until it's green, and there it is. So let's hit started. And here is just giving some samples of download some repos and stuff. We don't need to do that. Let's finish. And it's just saying there is no containers running, but Docker is running. And now we can easily use Docker. Just to try, let's go to terminal. And in terminal, if we press Docker, you see the commands working. So that's it for installing Docker. On Windows, like I said, pretty much the same, just follow the prompt, it's very easy. And I'll see you guys on the next class.